Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're going to be going through my favourite growth stocks that I would buy at these current prices and that I currently own. I own all of these stocks. About a month ago I did a very similar video on my favourite penny stocks. If you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the link in the description. That's my top ones that I am buying / own as well. But here we go, we're going through my favourite growth stocks. You're probably aware of some of these. These are some of my favourite positions as well across all my portfolios. If you appreciate these types of videos, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. We talk all things stock market, from penny stocks, value, growth, you name it. We talk about all of that on this channel. We also have a Patreon where you can join. We have exclusive content, videos, live streams, and my buys and sells and exclusive Discord channels on there as well. I'll leave that in a link in the description below. So let's get into this. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing, you should always do your own research first. So the first one up here, you don't win any prizes for guessing this one if you've been watching my channel for quite a period of time now, because I spoke about this one numerous times. It is one of my largest positions. We're talking about Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF. Now, this is a plant-based food company, basically. And yeah, I've been buying this one for quite a period of time now. Actually, originally started buying this one back when it was a SPAC stock. It traded under ticker symbol FMCI, and then it merged to become Tattooed Chef. That's how long we was buying this. Originally around about, I think it was about $14 we started buying this. And it's been on a bit of a ride. If we have a look at their stock, we can go here to the 1 year graph, okay? This actually went up at one point to about $28 per share. And yeah, then it came down, then it went back up again. We're currently trading at around about $19. I think personally for this company, anything below 20, I do believe this is a good price to get in at. Okay, I would like this better below 18, and I would be adding more if it probably dropped below 18. But for me, this is a very good company. The financials are also very, very good. All of the sales this company has made is through no marketing pretty much to date. They only recently, as of the last couple of weeks, launched a national advertisement campaign, so we can only expect the sales to really pick up. We go into their company, they say they're serving plant-based food for people who give a crop. We saw a need for better and tastier plant-based options utilizing sustainability sourced ingredients. Eating food is personal and often looks different from one household to the next. This is a growing sector and a growing industry, in my opinion. They plant, grow, and manufacture, handling the product from the fields to the consumer hands. This is a very unique product. They have a lot of SKUs and are adding more and more each quarter, each year as time goes on. It's a growing sector. There's not much competition out there really in this industry. Yes, you have Beyond Meat, which is another favorite of mine, but there are a few other companies, but really, you know, this market is up for grabs right now. Tattooed Chef are getting their foot in the door with this one. The numbers are looking good. It's in a growing sector. The advertisement has just kicked off, so I really do think big things to come for this. Would I add more at these prices? To be honest, yes. This is not a $20 company or $19 company in my opinion. This is a company which I do believe should be getting $30. You know, that's what I really think this can get to. We see it almost get there before. We see it get to $28. So why can't it get there again? Nothing has really changed from there to now, okay? Things have actually got better in my opinion. So yeah, first one up here was Tattooed Chef. Second one on my list, this is in no particular order, by the way. This is just companies that I like. Yeah, this is Facebook. Facebook is one of my largest holdings. Once again, I mentioned this one a few different times. I don't think we need to go into much detail about Facebook. Okay, the big social media online platform. And if we actually look at their stock, they currently trade for about $312. Now, that's quite a lot. But if we look at where it has been over the year, we're pretty much at all-time highs at this moment in time for Facebook, and it's been growing and growing. For the last year alone, we're actually up from April 2020, we're actually up about 78%. 78%, and this is just a growth company, okay? Stable growth, but they have one of the best balance sheets in the business. They're one of the best financials out there. This company is, you know, a leader in its field. Everybody knows about Facebook. Everybody has a Facebook account, or majority of people do. And yeah, for me, this company, you know, can really monetize in a lot more different ways. Most of their money comes from advertisement at the moment, but they have the platform to make this into whatever. They have a Facebook marketplace. They can make this into an eBay, a Fiverr, an Amazon. They could kind of incorporate bits of these into their platform. TikTok is taken off. They could even incorporate that as well. This company is not just Facebook, okay? They actually hold a few different companies. I'm going to put this up on the screen right here. You can see they have the Facebook Messenger, of course, WhatsApp as well. You know, there's good monetization potential there within WhatsApp. Instagram, that's one of my favorite holdings for this company, okay? Everybody loves Instagram. I do believe this is one of the most popular social media platforms, and that's another way they can really monetize this. You're seeing more and more incorporation into this as well. And then LiveRail, Giphy, Oculus, lots of different sectors. You can see a little bit of each: virtual reality, animation, video, messaging, social media. They literally have a bit of everything at this company. One of the best financials out there. They could pick up another company if they wanted to and transform it into, the next big Facebook as well. So yeah, at these prices, yes, it is at all-time highs right now, but I do believe this is continually going to grow, okay? Maybe not going to give you 100% in a year. Okay, yes, this year it has, but this year has been pretty phenomenal for most stocks, considering where it was at the crash levels. They have recovered, but on a general basis, this is going to give you nice returns. And I think always, adding away at Facebook here and there is definitely not a bad move by any stretch. And another company that I don't think I need to talk too much about, we're just going to go to this one, Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, another one of my largest holdings. You guys already know what this is, but unlike Facebook, it's actually not at its all-time highs right now. Its highs was about 143, and that was in January, end of January. We're now 133, so we are slightly off it. But Apple is another company which everybody knows. Most people have an iPhone, or have definitely heard of an iPhone or the iPad. They're also going to be talking about getting into the EV car sector as well with the Apple cars down the future. This company is an innovator. It also pays a small dividend of 0.62, and yeah, it's really good in my opinion. Okay, the PE ratio is 35, also not the highest out there when you compare it with other big tech companies. So Apple, I'm really not going to go too much detail, but yeah, always a solid buy in my opinion. At these prices, would I be buying? I haven't for a while, okay, to be honest, because I'm up quite a lot on these, but I wouldn't be against adding away to Apple here and there as well, that's for sure. The next company up is one I don't believe I've spoke about on my channel before, but it is one that I've been adding away at. I'm up about 20% at the moment. Happily still keep buying at these prices. We are talking about Skyworks Solutions, and if we look at their graph over the 1 year, once again, nice growth. Currently up on the year 108%, and it's just about where it was all-time highs. It hit about 192. We're now 188, so we're not far off it. But this is in the communication. This is in the 5G Internet of Things sector, okay, telecommunications as well. Lots of exciting pathways. They say their vision here is empowering the wireless networking revolution, connecting people, places and things around the world. As the demand for connectivity increasingly expands, our innovative high-performance analog semiconductors are enabling breakthrough communication platforms from global industry leaders, changing the way we live, work, play and learn. This is really one of the leaders in this field. I think it's definitely important to have a bit of the semiconductor communication kind of sector as well if we're in your portfolio. And if I was going to go for any, I would probably be going for Skyworks. That's why this is a position in my portfolio. Not one of my largest, but definitely looking to be building up more and more as time goes on. Currently at 188. I first got into this, like I said, I'm about 20% at the moment. Would I add at these prices? To be honest, yes, because I'm not finished building my position at the moment, so I would definitely keep adding to Skyworks Solutions as time goes on. And my fifth and final one for today's video in terms of my top 5 growth companies is, of course, Tesla. This is my largest position by far. You guys all know Tesla. Most people do have a stake in Tesla, but yeah, like I say, this is by far my largest position. I was in this way before the stock split. And yeah, this is a leader, an innovator in its field. Yes, there are a lot of other companies coming up behind them in terms of EV, but in my opinion, they are way off, way behind Tesla. Tesla are the market dominator in this field, and right now currently trading for prices of 677. At these prices, I think it's still a very, very good buy. It is considerably up on my average. However, we did see this one touch about almost $900 per share, and it has since fallen off quite a lot. We're actually down at the moment about 22%. That's quite unheard of for Tesla, considering the insane run they have been on over the past year. So to be getting it at this price, I think it is very good. It would have been better if you got it on the dip about a week or two ago, but yeah, I do believe, this is easily a $1,000 company in my opinion. Yes, it's overvalued at the moment in time, but this is definitely a growth stock, one for the future. Hold on to this one for 5-10 years, and I do really believe you'll be thankful for having this in your portfolio. So that's just my thoughts. These are my top companies, my top growth companies anyway, that I currently own / will be adding to as well as time goes on. Let me know your favorite stocks. What's your favorite holding that you currently have as well? This was in no particular order, but these are just 5 of my favorites. If you are interested in these videos, I might also do a 5 value stock to buy. And yeah, you can check out my penny stock one as well. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well, that really is appreciated. And until next time.